Bollinger Band, Bollinger Band. If you understand this one indicator properly, then understanding market direction will become much easier for you. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about one of the most powerful indicators in trading, the Bollinger Band. And first of all, as you can see, this is our real account, not a demo account. You can check the balance yourself. Now let's select our indicator. And here we are using Bollinger Band. This indicator helps a lot in understanding market, movement, pressure, and possible reversal points. Now we are selecting our pair, EUR GBP OTC market. And as you can see, we already selected a 1-minute trade. So first we are taking a seal trade here. And meanwhile, let me briefly explain what Bollinger Band actually is. Bollinger Band consists of 3 lines: upper band, middle band, and lower band. When the market moves near the upper band, it is often considered overbought. And when it moves near the lower band, it can be considered oversold. This indicator does not give you a 100% guarantee, but it definitely gives a strong market idea. Indicators help traders understand market direction, and Bollinger Band is considered one of the heaviest indicators for beginners. If someone understands it properly, then trading becomes much clearer for them. And as you can see, our first trade is win. You can clearly see the balance increasing. Now next we are selecting the EUR HUF OTC market. And here we are getting a signal that the candle may go downward. So we are taking a buy trade. Let's see what result we get. As you can see, this trade is also win, and our balance increased again. If you also want daily signals, VIP entries, and live trading videos like this, then our Telegram channel link is in the description. Go and join now, and take your trading journey to the next level.